Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Cooking Show at Home. Today, in this video, I'll show you how to fry fish. It sounds simple, but I'll share a couple of tricks and tips to help you avoid a mess and make a delicious pan-fried fish. You'll see the list of ingredients on the screen, and you can also find it in the description below the video. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to support my channel. I'm using branzini today, but feel free to use any whitefish. My branzinis are already gutted and cleaned. I've rinsed them in cold water, no need to wipe or dry them. First, I'll cut off the fish's head and discard it, but you can keep it if you'd like to use it for another dish. Then I'll use kitchen scissors to trim the fins and cut the fish into small pieces, about 1 to 1.5 inches wide. I'll do the same with the second fish. Now here's tip number 1. Place the cut pieces of fish in a bowl and rub them with salt before coating and frying. Let them rest for about 10 minutes. This helps prevent the fish from falling apart during frying. Tip number 2. For the coating, I'll use a mix of wheat flour and corn flour, half and half. I'm using about half a cup of each. This blend creates a much better crust than using wheat flour alone. I'll put the flour mix into a plastic bag, mix it well, then add all the fish pieces to the bag to avoid making a mess. Shake the bag well to make sure all pieces are evenly coated. Okay, let's fry it. I'm using a large frying pan on medium heat. But before frying, here's tip number 3, which is not very well known. Before placing the fish into the pan, dip each piece into a bowl of cold water. This prevents the coating from falling off or burning, and it helps keep the fish moist inside. It might sound strange, because we're always told that putting something wet into hot oil causes splattering, but trust me, it works. Just make sure the oil is hot but not overheated before you start. Once all the pieces are in the frying pan, let them fry over medium heat, turning them from time to time to ensure even cooking. Fry for a few minutes and check the bottom for a golden crust. Once it looks evenly golden, flip the pieces to fry the other side. Keep tossing them as needed. It already looks delicious. Fry for another few minutes. When the fish is ready, remove the pieces and place them on a paper towel in a bowl to absorb any extra oil. And look at the oil. It's still clean and clear after frying. No burnt flour bits at the bottom. If you have more fish to fry, you can reuse the same oil. Without the cold water dip, it would look much messier. Here's our fried fish. Crispy on the outside, soft and moist inside. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more. Bye!